How to fix gray songs on Spotify. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So what you should do, just search for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.